a watermelon soap, and we have never used, what's it called? It's black
oxide.
Black oxide. So we're going to try using black oxide for the first time today, and we thought we would take you guys along for the ride.
I've already got my oils all measured out here, and to the oils I'm going to add some kaolin clay. Kaolin clay just is skin nourishing, and it also helps the soap have a slip on the skin. It doesn't drag. Okay, so we've got the kaolin clay all blended into our oils, and then the next thing that I want to do before I get started is I want to add a little bit of titanium dioxide to my lye water. And I just do this because we use hemp seed oil in all of our soaps, in all of our products. And so I add just a little bit into the water to kind of take away or lessen that green cast that the hemp seed oil causes. And that's the dogs.
Be quiet over there.
I don't need a whole lot this time.
We're making soap next. Taking off.
Excuse the dogs. In a little bit of oil, I want to go ahead and mix a little bit of this black oxide. I'm not sure, but let's just put a little bit of that. And I want to just mix it around in that oil. Get that dissolved. Kind of looks like
Charcoal powder.
charcoal. Yeah, looks like charcoal. Which you can get charcoal for a black, to make your soaps black. We have a super light trace, which is the way I like to work, especially with an in the pot swirl, and that's what we're going to be doing with this one. So I'm going to go ahead and separate out my batter into different containers so I can do my color. So we're going to do a pink base with a green and black swirl for our watermelon.
A very small amount of black.
Yeah.
There you go.
We need to add our scent, and this is the scary part for me because we never know for sure what it's gonna do. Can you see it?
Yep, we're still good. Electric bill due tomorrow.
Me?
Yeah.
The first is always a disappointing day because everything's due.
This is getting thick.
Look how riced that is. Man, I'm just not happy with Nature's Garden. I'm just going to be honest. This has not been a good bunch of behaviors that we've had out of their scents. It's solid.
I know, but we gotta make it work.
I don't think black needs to be in there that much. What are we doing though?
We're gonna
What's the
swirl.
work?
We're gonna swirl.
Where's
it.
the swirling tool?
I don't know.
I didn't know we needed it. There ain't no way, Jenny. Here, take it. I can't do it. I'm done.
Okay.
I don't know what to do with it. It's ruined. See, this is where I'm done. I hope the cameras are done. Or off. There's no way that's going to look good.
Can you have some more green over here?
There's plenty of green. Full-size heavy bars. What's crazy, it sets up so fast, but then it stops setting up. You know, it's like
Yeah, it's like it gets Play-Doh-y, and then it decides that it's done.
Yeah.
After it's Play-Doh-y. This will probably be a soap we keep, but you never know. It could turn out.
We'll see.
I mean, the only part that could be ugly is this top part. The bottom part's going to be mostly pink.
Yeah, so basically you just see black.
Yeah,
we'll see.
Paper towels, maybe I can clean up the edges. Do I have? Oh, I have paper towels right here.
Whatever. My arm is from active soap on my arm. Well, we'll go ahead and wrap it up and see what it looks like tomorrow. Maybe it'll work. Maybe the colors will turn out and they'll be like, well, who ever thought that was what we was going after?
You never know. I mean, it's already in the mold, so you got to do it.
Yeah, I know. I know, but boy, it's panic attack city for me.
I know. But that's why I'm here to help calm the storm. It may be ugly, but we'll see.
Go with it.
All right. If you want to see what it looks like when we cut it tomorrow, if it's really nice, we'll probably just insert a clip. If not, go find it on the TikTok. You can find it in the description box. Okay, this is our ugly watermelon soap.